Hi, this is the oral tagging user guide from the DepEd. So here are the important reminders. Make sure to tag learners who entered and exited oral program within the school year. Huwag kang mag-iiwan ng learner na hindi mo na-tag. And dapat may lagay mo kung ano yung reading at literacy profile nila. Dapat tama. And then, dapat ang data mo ay nakabase sa Carla for Key Stage 1. And then, Philippine Informal Inventory, Reading Inventory for Key Stages 2 and 3. So, for grade 1, ang gagamitin po nating basihan or basis ay Carla, yung mother tongue nila for grade 1. For grade 2 naman is Filipino. Grade 3, Carla, English. And for grade 4 to 10, Phil-Erie English. I-double check dapat yung mga entries para tama at kumpleto yung mailagay at may save bago may submit at may save. And then, do not estimate or wag daw mag-guess ng mga datos na ilalagay doon. And then, i-review muna ang mga data na nilagay para sa mas maayos na assessment. And then, to do it, step 1, log in to the official account or to your official account, LIS official account. Step 2, yan, click mo yung learner information system. And then doon, sa master list, step 3, select tagging, click select tagging and then click aral. And then doon sa aral, i-click mo yung not tag para magsilabasan yung mga list of learners na hindi pa natatag as aral. And then for step 5, ito naman is mahalaga, yes or no. Kapag yes, ibig sabihin kasali siya sa aral program, and then no naman kung hindi siya kasali. So if yes, lalagay mo rin kung kailan na-determine o kailan siya nag-enter ng aral program. Kung after BUSY ba, beginning of school year, and then or doon sa mid-year ba, after mid-year or after USY pa man nalaman. And then, anong type of assessment? Pag naman yes, lahat ito lalagyan mo. Pag no naman, click mo lang yung no and then proceed ka na doon sa kung anong assessment yung nabigay sa kanya at kung ano yung reading level niya. For step 7, ayan. Click mo lang yung reading level niya.